Hi guys! Good morning. Ay, afternoon na pala, 12:45 na dito. Yes, naghahanda ako kasi pupunta kami sa hardware store. Yeah, Bunnings yung name ng hardware store. Bibili kami ng parts para sa lawnmower and pressure wash. Para maayos ng asawa ko bago siya umalis papuntang Sydney bukas. Nasaan na yung sunscreen? Look guys, but this is night cream. Gamit ko ay kay Madam Kilay. Gusto ko yung rejuvenating set niya. Kasi, nagpipil. Gusto ko kasi nagpipil ako para ma-renew. Naman magmukha tayo ng tao kahit konti. Ito yung sunscreen. Tingnan nyo. Parang nakakaputi. Nakaka-Candace dye. Yes. Pupunta lang ng hardware store. Siyempre naman mga dye. Magmukha naman tayong tao. Makapagtawanan tayo doon. O di ba? Nag-transform na ang lola nyo. Pak! Pac-Man. Hindi ho yun mura, yeah. It's not a swear what I said. It's just an expression. Pac! Like, wow. Okay? And then, ganun lang. Ma-pinkish naman ang ating pinkish. Ma-bloody naman. Tingnan nyo doy. Ano yan? Makita nyo ang aking mga tegedeg. Kaya gumagamit ako ng rejuvenating set ni Madam Kilay. Mamoru. Gusto ko ma-experience yung 24 karat gold niyang serum ata yun. Pero laging sold out. I'll have a look later. Gusto ko nga magbenta nun dito Kasi mabili yung product ni Madam Kilay. Pero wala pa akong pagkapital. Yeah. Aray ko. Ay, gusto ko nang magpagupit, guys. Sobrang nang haba ng hair ko. Magpapagupit ako, pero hindi pa ngayon. Siguro after ng birthday ng aking Junakis. Kasi maraming gastos. 18 years old na ang aking panganay. Agoy. Sakit kayo, Zayaw. Sakit. Ang hirap mag-alaga ng buhok pag mahaba. Ilan nang ilagay akong busy sa anak ko. Sa mga aso ko. Yes, I'm just brushing my hair. Don't you have to get ready? Huh? What about them? Just Nikita's annoying. Just wait. Okay guys, I'll see you at the Bunnings. Hi mga guys, kadarating lang namin ako yung aking iPhone. Alam nyo guys, sabi na nanganak ako. Laki-laki na ng eyebag ko mga guys. Wala kasi akong tulog. Masyala. Hi Baba! Say hi po! Yes, ako po ang dakilang driver. Kasi hindi po nagda-drive ang aking asawa. Dahil hindi po siya makakapasa sa driving test and lessons. No, lessons okay, yung theory. But actual hindi kasi may genetic problem siya sa mata. Hindi ho nakakita sa gabi ang asawa ko. At hindi rin ho siya nakakakita yung quickly left and right peripheral vision ata yun. Yes. Kaya ako po ang laging driver. Well, no. Okay, parang sinasya-phone man ako. Hey, where's my bag? It's here. Hindi ako marunong mag-vlog. I'm a vlogger. Is the car key in my bag? Tingnan nyo guys, pinalagyan ko siya ng map. Green. Diba? Maganda siya. Alang, tingnan ko lang kung andito yung car key. No, it's not here inside. Where is it, babe?
It's inside. Wait.
Where?
What was the sound?
No, I don't have it. Kalimutan ko yung car. Yung key ng sasakyan. Pero guys, makalat ang humo. May dumi pa. Saan kaya niya nilagay? Shopping bag yan eh. Wala naman dito. Saan ang car key? Nakakaloka. Hi, Baba! Where you going? Where you going, Baba? Ayan ho ang Bunnings. Nawawala yung car key. Not on his backpack? It's impossible. We're not gonna be able to drive the car without the key. Saan ko kaya nilagay yung car key? No time. Wait. Andito, oh. Yes, you know where it was? It fell on the side pocket of the car. It's locked. No, on my pocket. No. Mom, babe, your butt is on front of my bag. Dito ko mabibili yan, mga paint para sa mga bahay. Need to go where the hoses are. Sugar soap, clothes and gloss. Disinfectant. Did you have it? Can I have a look? So ito ho, ayan. No, we need this, not that one. No, that's wrong. Is this 12? Ito na. Ito yung inat-ngat ng aso ko. 12 millimeter. What else do you have to get? The wire. Cables. How do you know if it's 3 wires? Hi, Baba. Hi. Here, here, here. Here's your robot. Flip it. Ta. Found it. That's what I...
We need 3, 2, 1, Malo. We
Okay,
need 2.
the one that it's fine. 2 of this?
We need only 2, 1. Not the middle one.
No. 3 is fine. C because C is small. The one that you bought is massive.
Yeah, but if you can get a 2, 1, you can.
No, it's always 3, babe. There's no. You take 2. There's no such thing as 2, babe. It's always 3, but then the one that you buy.
Okay, just take one. Right there.
In case. In case.
Forward.
So can we have a basket?
Yeah, this one.
Is there such thing as 3? I mean, how do you know? Because clicks.
Look at
Kailangan daw niya ano. Ito. Doesn't focus. Yan.
Can you hold it for me?
Yeah.
Let me. Oh, there is one.
Well, how do they have a measure thing? I want to go to the plant area.
We already have a lot of plants. Just go home because we need to prepare. We need to clean outside as well.
But I just want to, even if you're shown, it's okay because I blur.
Can you take your phone? Can you take your phone?
Ito po. Babe, I'm going to plant area. Yes? Okay. Babe, I wanna have these. 2,749. Maganda to sa sa labas, oh. Super ganda. Then outdoor furnitures. Andito na lahat. You name it. Para sa mga bahay. This is my favorite shop than clothes shopping. Mas gusto ko yung namimili para sa bahay. Oh, Charwood and whiskey. Candle. Okay lang. I can't smell it. Citronella. Mosquito repellent. Magkano? $3.
Do you want to buy this one away?
Which one? $799. Huh? That's a wood fire.
Oh, this is only.
You wanna buy it?
You wanna pay?
No. With one money, my pubic hair. What kind of heater? Oh, but these are indoors. I need outdoor. I don't know what's that girl's plant. Huh?
Would you bring the trolley?
I'm not gonna. I just want to see if they have a toy, because, or look for princess. You know, babe. The leash that we have, it won't work for princess. Something like just on her body. Can you help me find a leash that would suit her, please? How about this, babe? Like that dog harness.
She can come out.
Huh?
She can come out.
That's a body.
Wait. You're gonna put on neck.
No, it's not.
I don't know how to put it. That's why I mean.
This, babe. Look how on the picture.
It's the same as ours.
No, this would work.
Babe, she doesn't have one leg.
That's so sad. I'm sure it would. XL money. We need medium or poor princess. Ayan guys. Sa aso ko. We don't need the leash, yeah, because we have a lot. Let's try it. How much is this? Kano kaya to? Ang cute na mga toys para sa puppy. I think I'm gonna get them this. Maybe dalawa nito. $2. Took two. What else? How much is the ball? We don't have ball anymore. 7 chewing play. $2. Oh. This is like set, babe.
Obviously, they weren't making any.
Or maybe like the rope ones. Yes. Which one is it? Let me see.
Medium large.
Steak, yeah. Okay.
70.
Okay, that's it. Babe, his blanket. Put on that. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Oh, babe, wait. This is better. $2. The other one is $5 each. Ano yun guys, oh, para sa mga aso. Yes. Ito yung mga pagkain. Ito yung pagkain ng aso ko. Puppy. $62. How many 18 kilos. Lahat ito puro mga dog and cat food. Hello. Hi. Are you bored? Are you bored?
put in a car bag.
Huh? Let's go. Just need to show her.
Perfect. Thank you. Have a good one.
I need to buy a wood.
Next week.
Oh my
You're gonna
goodness.
get hot dog?
Nah, I'm not gonna. You want donuts?
I like something spicy.
Huh?
I like something spicy.
Spicy? What then? We will go to Priya later.
We'll see.
Aww.
What's that?
Babe, I want to look for a plant. Babe. Oh. Gusto kong ano. Wait, the car key is here. Gusto kong bumili ng plant, ayaw niya. We're back in the car, guys. What? Ang asawa ko nainis sa akin.
Baba.
Siya nagsabi na, you're the one who told me to start vlogging and then you get annoyed. Dada, you will no longer get annoyed once I started earning money, yeah? Yeah, babe? Babe! Annoying daw. Kasi ina-annoy niya rin ako. Kaninang umaga pa, iniinis niya ako. Di, annoyin ko rin siya. Diba? Ano lang yan? Ang tawag dyan? Ganti-ganti lang. I can't wait na umuwi yung anak ko galing sa Germany kasi para lumabas kami. Kasi hindi na payag na ako lang mag-isa, pero titingnan ko sa bukas pag wala na siya. Punta kami Target ng anak niya. Kasi sasauli ko yung shoes na nabili ko, hindi kasya sa kanya. I don't know if they gonna accept it. I still have the receipt, I think. Pero kasi maliit siya. Babe, you know what? Babe, when we went inside, I didn't close this door at all. It was just shut, not properly locked. Okay, let's go home. Kasi merong pupunta sa bahay today. Yes. Kailangan ko makabenta. Kahit wala akong work, mayroon akong konting pinagkakakitaan. And I'm not allowed to say kasi alam mo naman. Basta may pinagkakakitaan ako. Pero konti lang naman. Para sa pera natin sa Pilipinas, malaki siya. Pero kasi pag dito sa Australia, hindi siya malaki dahil mahal ang cost of living dito. So, hindi pa rin sapat. But okay. It's okay. We're surviving. Bukas yung donut na favorite namin ng anak ko. Kaso, ayokong kumain kasi carb siya, diba? Need to be careful with what I'm eating, especially pag pag matatamis. So, iwas muna tayo sa mga matatamis. Ay, gusto ko talaga, babe. I really wanted to look at the plants. I wanted to buy these plants, babe. The one with has big leaves and indoor plants.
I think I should bring all the money from you. I'm taking cash, all the cash. No way.
Babe, did I buy something? I
Maybe
didn't.
if I was not there, what will you do?
Babe, I wanted to do vlog. Not because I wanted to.
I'm taking in cash.
Babe, I'm not gonna spend time.
I'm gonna give you 150 of the cash. I'm gonna take everything else.
That's not very nice.
That's fine.
Oh, it's not. It's not enough.
Okay, just leave in the forest.
Babe, sometimes you're very funny. That was a good joke. Babe, when I'm vlogging, you have to remind me that I need to film like this, malap. Dun, 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 dun. Matthew! Oh my god, he already removed his socks. He's like, feel at home. Such a beautiful day.
There was that shop that you showed me
Which one?
on when we sorry.
What about it?
That's the one that you showed me.
Huh?
That's the thing that you showed me.
What was that? Ah! Of course, your favorite.
That's where you buy things.
Excuse me?
Otherwise, how do you know?
Babe, it's very famous. Hello, how you not gonna know? It's even on the ad on radio, on FM station when you're listening to music.
How do you know the address? I'm such
Babe, I have been living here for how many years?
I told you honest, I have been there multiple times there.
Why would I spend money on that? It's stupid. Men spend money on that, not women. Dun, 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 dun. Shall I fill up the tank now? Because if you're not here, it's gonna be very hard for me to do it by myself. He's gonna be in the car. What, I need to hold him to fill up the tank? Shall I? Do you dream that we dance forever in a wish that we made together on the night that I pray that never
I'm filling up here.
Oh, I forgot. You didn't tell me. Bless you, Babu. We're on our way. Punta tayo guys dyan sa Indian shop. Yes. Bakit nag-flicker siya? Tuk, 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 tuk. Ito ho yung Indian shop dito, malapit sa amin. Yes. Hello, what did you buy? Dokla. Do you want poha? Poha. Which one? Tinatanong ko siya kung gusto niya ng poha. Nakalimutan ko na naman guys yung mic. Ako naman ang bibili ko dito. Lagi, kailangan na. Ang mahal pala nito. Ito yung binibili ng friend ko eh. Pure ghee, $34. I think ito na lang muna. Pure ghee, ito na lang. Marami silang iba't ibang klase ng basmati rice. Ano yan? Hi, Baba. How are you, Baba? Hi. Yeah. Do you like something? Tagal kasi ng daddy niya magano. Iba't ibang klase ng rice. Halos pero halos basmati. Pero ito kakaiba guys. Kakaibang rice. Long grain. Saan na ba ito si Mr. Oy? Nandun siya sa frozen ready-made food. Ayan siya. Which po are you gonna get? Huh? That one?
Do you want to eat momos?
Momos? Yeah. I like momos. No! Frozen? Frozen? No. I thought the one there. No. Can we go momos now? Gusto ko ng okra mga guys. Fresh siya. Curry leaves. Meron pa kaming chili sa bahay. Maybe coriander. Magkano naman itong coriander? $4.99. Lagyan natin sa likod. Dami ng pinamimili niya. Sa akin, lang, curry leaves, okra, and coriander. Babe, you know what the papadams, the one that we like? Remember, you only have 140. Yan yung budget niya for today. Babe, remember, I bought $16 okra. Because there's no small packet. It's for me, not for you. I like it. Chili sauce? Yeah, say hurry, Dada. How about the papadams?
It's not the last one.
Okay, that's it. I only brought one bag. $3 for $10. You sure you like that? Because you have that before. You didn't cook it. Done? Done?
You can keep it here.
Did you find chili sauce? You want the Szechuan? Szechuan. Say, hurry, Dada, we're hungry. Okay, done?
I just need to get a papad.
So Dada is taking forever. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello, everybody. Yeah. Mwah. Are you bored? Are you hungry? You're hungry and bored, yeah? Okay, me and mommy too. Don't touch my phone. Indian restaurant yan, Dosa Hut. What? Oh, here. Hurry! Oh! Balik siya, magbabayad siya. Kinuha lang niya yung pera. Across this, this street is, Asian shop. Halos andyan na lahat. Baka bukas or kamakalawa, pag sipagin ako, punta ako. Namimiss ko na yung, yung isda ba, yung mackerel. Gusto kong kumain ng munggo at pritong, galonggong. Namiss niya din yung food niya, kaya so, na-miss niya yung food niya, kaya pumunta siya dito sa Indian Bazaar. Okay, tagal naman niya sa loob ng shop. Ako'y nagugutom na. Wala naman nakatingin, so hindi ako nahiya pag ganito. Pero pag may maraming tao, hindi ako magaganito. Yes? Say hi, Baba. Say Dada, hurry. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Hello. Oh, you're bored now. You're bored now. Okay. Lucky nag-park lang ako doon lang. Malapit lang. Tingnan nyo if malapit lang ako nag-park. Iyan ang car. Hey, Baba. Look what you did. Okay, we're going now. We're just waiting for Dada. Not me, you.
That's 55.
No, it's not. Ghee only and okra. Because $16 okra, ghee 80. Hi guys, good evening. Kain tayo. Ay, tingnan yung anak ko. Ako kumakain. Umiyak na. Wala, nagising na. Nagising yung anak ko, kaya pumunta ako ulit sa room. Ngayon lang ako makakakain. 9:30 na. Di pa ako kumain. Dapat last ko nakain mga alas 5 or alas 6 kaso busy talaga. At meron din akong bisita kanina. Kasi nagpunta dito yung best friend ko. Naghatid siya ng free clothes. Nag-sale kasi ang Adidas kung saan ako nag-work dati. Pinapapunta niya ako kaninang alas 8 ng umaga but I was really busy. I couldn't make it. Pero nagtabi siya ng mga damit para sa akin, para sa asawa ko. Walang clothes for kids, for adults lang. I was so thankful sa kanya. Papakita ko mamaya or tomorrow. Pag wala na akong oras mamaya. Kasi alas 9:30 na eh. Baka magising na naman yung anak ko. Madi-disturb yung sleep ng asawa ko. Aalis kasi yung asawa ko bukas ng mga 4:30 a.m. Papuntang airport. Pupunta siya sa Sydney. Kasi ganun yung work niya. 1 week sa Sydney, 1 week dito sa Melbourne. Yes, then kami lang dalawa ng baby ko bukas. Pero I'm alright, sanay na ako. Pero uuwi na naman yung anak ko, yung eldest ko this end of the week. I'll pick her up also from the airport. But so far, so good. Kain muna ako guys, kain tayo. Noodles lang to guys. Then nilagyan ko siya ng celery leaves and coriander and eggs. Quick ano lang siya. Quick dinner ko. Ganun talaga mga mothers. Kung hindi late makakain, hindi nakakakain on time. I mean, hindi nakakain at all yung iba. Pero I try to eat kasi nagbe-breastfeed pa rin ako. I think manonood din ako ngayon ng live ni Mrs. Faye at ni VJ. Anyway, see you later.